Hello, receptive radio community. So today we're talking about part two, the second leg. So in horse racing, sometimes there's stake races like the Triple Crown, and you have legs, you have divisions. So this is the second leg of the Triple Crown of transformation, cleaning. The first leg was last week, moving. This one is about cleaning. And why am I talking about cleaning? Because cleaning is something that is hand in hand with moving. And when you're moving energy and you're cleaning energy, there is transformation. You cannot help it. Transformation is going to happen, and it might be uncomfortable. It might be painful. It might be annoying and frustrating and overwhelming and hard on your nervous system. So why is it important that you still go through the process of cleaning? So recently I moved to a new property, and now I'm in the new configuration of my background, and I have had to clean a lot. I have had to clean energy. I've had to clean space, physical space, my physical body space. I've had to clean thoughts and things out of my mind, and it all kind of, and feelings. There has been a lot of emotional upstirring with this move. So when you're moving, there's always cleaning there. It's always connected. And I like to talk about things that are going on for me. And I know that other people, as you're preparing for Christmas season, we're heading into December, you might be doing a lot of cleaning. You might be moving furniture around to get that Christmas tree in the space that you want it. And moving stirs up energy and stirs up things that need to be cleaned. So I am an expert at cleaning things. And I always take it upon myself to do the deepest, darkest, dirtiest cleaning in my life. I have done that regularly all the time. I'm willing to go deep, and I like to go deep because I want to get to the source of the real dirt. And it's not always comfortable, and your nervous system can have a freak out about it. And my nervous system, since we started moving, has been having a freak out. It's been going into a freak out, kind of like, I was just doing an interview with a person that deals with the nervous system as their MO, that's their expertise. And we have the fight, flight, and freeze mode. And when I was moving and cleaning, I was in this like fight attack mode. I had to get it all done. And it really brought me into a lot of cleaning energy, because things were coming up. Energy was getting stirred with the move, and I needed to clean it up. And it needed to happen almost on the spot sometimes, because while you're moving from one place to another, and you have a whole month to do it. So I had a month to do it, and thank God I did, because it was a lot of stuff. A lot of 7 years worth of furniture and collections of things and cupboards and clothes and purging of things. It took a lot of dedication of time, effort, and cleaning. So you have to clean to move. It's not just the stuff that you're moving that you're cleaning. You're cleaning your attachment to that stuff. You're cleaning out the thoughts and the feelings around you have with that stuff. And you're also in creating opportunities to clean old patterns that are connected to where you were living potentially. Like for me, there was old patterns that were coming up that needed to be cleaned and cleared, and I needed to pay attention to them. And it was, there was a lot of fighting that got stirred up with the moving and the cleaning and frustration. And I needed to pay attention to that. So where do you notice when you're cleaning? Do you notice where your thoughts go when you're cleaning? Do you notice what your feelings are like when you're cleaning? Do you notice what your body's doing when you're cleaning? Because I was noticing that my body was getting into shape with all the cleaning, but my thoughts, some of the thoughts, I had lots of angry thoughts come up, and I had a lot of emotional debris, let's call it, around moving. I wanted to move. I was happy to move, but it was like energetically there was a connection and an attachment to staying where I was, because I had 2 offices before. I had a 5,000 square foot home that was perfectly helping my business operate. And I went down to one office where I have to fit both, the healing room, the room I worked with clients and did ceremonies in, and that was nice and big and could house all my tools and my altars and everything. I lost that room, and now I'm trying to incorporate it into a smaller room that's actually smaller than one office that I had. And I'm still setting it up and still cleaning a lot too. But, I had to clean that attachment to how it should look, what it needs to look like. And we're often attached to how everything should be. And I know that I hear this a lot, is like clean as you go, clean, keep your space clean. It's true. Those types of things really help you to have clarity, have boundaries, be more decisive in how you want to move forward. Because when you have a mess in front of you, it's hard to make decisions. And I noticed that, when we're messy in our energy, it's hard to make decisions. When our thoughts are stuck, we can't make decisions. If we're holding in the angry thoughts, if we're holding in the hurt emotions, if we're ignoring the body pain, we're not resolving the stuckness that is keeping the energy stuck, or the pain there, or the thought hidden, or the feeling suppressed. And when we clean it, it releases it and it creates movement. So moving and cleaning are connected. And I have been trained to clean energy with tools. And if you notice, the thumbnail for this post was an owl. Well, that is my new owl. That is my owl. He lives in my yard, and I've seen him twice now. And that shot that I took, I was right underneath him, and he posed for me. And we were talking about cleaning out dead trees when he presented himself that time. And owls have this ability to clean old energy. And I use owl a lot when I'm doing cleaning with people, with clients. So I want to do a cleaning song for you today around energy, your body, your mind, your heart, to help you keep moving forward towards what you want for 2025. Because, Christmas season and the end of the year, holidays and all that kind of stuff, it moves us into an energy of distraction, getting distracted from our goals, so that we can rest and relax and recuperate. But if we have the intention to rest, relax, and recuperate while we're cleaning out the old year, all of 2024, and setting the intention to move into 2025, to have a clean opening for that to start. And today actually happens to be December 12th. And I was reading on social media somewhere earlier this morning that it's a portal, 1212 portal. So we can also work with that today too. And even if you're watching the recording, it's still going to work, because we're calling in that intention to work with that cleaning portal, or the opportunity for that portal to take the old energy. And so we're going to call in Owl. We're going to call in this opportunity of 1212 to clean some of the energy. And we're going to let it go, whether it's the angry old thoughts or the old unsupportive thoughts, the stuck feelings, the body pain or soreness or illness or sickness, and the old energies. You can let it all go, and you don't need to think about it, because that's a great thing about shamanic healing and working with spirit and facilitating spirit to do the work. It's not really me, I'm just facilitating it. Is that it knows already what you need. I don't have to know. I don't have to let my ego get in the way and know and interfere with the cleaning. Spirit knows. Owl knows. The energy of the universe knows. It's just setting us up with the opportunity right now to take advantage of it. So I'm going to take advantage of that opportunity for all of us and do that. So let me get my owl wing and rattle. So whenever you're working with tools, you want to just clean them. So this is some alcohol, and I'll just clean this owl wing. And I have a rattle with an owl on it. And I have trained for many years to communicate and to work with owl and call on it. It shows up. So you can close your eyes and just come into your body. Come into your body. Come low into your pelvic bowl. Just get present in your body, present in your energy, present in your heart, letting all your thoughts go if you can. And if you can't, don't worry about it. There's no right or wrong way on how to receive a cleaning song. That's all you need to do is receive. So I'll just call on Owl. Come, and in Spanish, owl is telecote. Remember, we're using the portal of December 12th, 12/12, to clear any energy. So you can imagine that there is a vortex spinning above your head that is going to take anything that doesn't serve you anymore. Ayudando medicina, telescote, venga, venga, bo. Ayudando telecote, transporte, transformando, limpiando todo cuerpo, telecote, venga, venga, bo. Medicina, medicina, bo, entra, entra, cada uno, entra, entra, cada uno, todo cuerpo, sana, sana, energía, todo viejito, todo perfecto. Sana, sana, todo malo, energía, todo perfecto. Telecote, muchas gracias, espíritu, más puro, telecote, entre corazón, entre mente y voz. Entre corazón, cura todo sentimiento. alentando todo justa, limpiando negativo, limpiando todo tu justo, todos sentimientos viejitos, ayudando a la corte, medicina por el rojo. Penetrando mentecito, derechito, todo pensamientos, cura, cura, negativo, todo mentecito, viejito, ayudando mentecito, todo justa, sacandito, a la corte, muchas gracias. Espiritu grande, grande voz, soporte transformando, energía todo para uno, ayudando, ayudando, muchas gracias, todo, todo. So just clearing off any loose energy and inviting it to go to the 1212 portal that's above your head to take any of that old energy, including my own. Just believing it, knowing it, imagining it, seeing it, deciding that that energy is going. It's just a little sample of a cleaning song. And after you clean, you always fill up with fresh new energy intentionally. So just imagine a beautiful sunlight now coming in and filling up all those spaces that were cleared during the cleaning song and filling it up, filling up all your cells, your body, your mind, your heart, your energy. Taking up all that space with bright, bright light. And I don't have time to sing a song for bringing in the light right now, but just imagine that it's happening. And you can receive the full package meal of a healing by coming to our Solstice healing ceremony in our group healing community, which is happening on December 21st at 10 a.m. Pacific time online. And we do this every month. And this month we're lining up with the solstice on the 21st of December so that we can clean out the old year, the 2024, bring in new energies. And it's about 30 minutes, the healing. And it's free if you're just joining. The first month is free. And then you can cancel at any time if it's not for you. But if you stay, you get a healing every month and you get access to all the recordings. And you can go back and do any of the healings as much as you want. And it's a great community. When you do healing in a group, it is so much more powerful. And it ripples out to the world. And I'd love to grow this group with you, members of Receptive Radio. So I'll put the link in the chat or in the comments to come for the Solstice Healing Ceremony, December 21st at 10 a.m. Pacific time. It's a Saturday. We're doing it on a Saturday so we can line up with the solstice as well and more people can come. So I hope to see you there. And back to cleaning. Do you feel cleaner? Has that thought that you had from this morning that was annoying you, has it disappeared? Let us know in the comments. And after cleaning, it's always good to drink a pint of water. And if anything comes up and you want to talk more about it, feel free to send me a DM. Connect with me further. Have a great week. Oh.